What if I told you that you could create a highly profitable YouTube channel without ever showing your face? Imagine earning over $9,000 a month, all by leveraging the power of AI automation to produce engaging, binge-worthy content. AI is revolutionizing the way creators approach YouTube, and those who embrace it now are leading the charge into this new era of content creation. Welcome to AI Automation Cohort, your ultimate guide to mastering AI-driven YouTube success. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started, step by step, and transform your channel into a money-making machine with the help of AI. If you're active on YouTube, you've probably come across these faceless channels. You know the ones, those accounts that are cranking out addictive, binge-worthy shorts. But even if you haven't seen them yet, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have the roadmap to create your own successful channel. I'm going to guide you through everything step by step so you can start building your own profitable YouTube empire. Let's take a step back in time. A few months ago, a game-changing method for creating YouTube Shorts emerged. This wasn't just any strategy, it was revolutionary. Suddenly, creators were jumping on the bandwagon, using this exact formula, and pointing to one specific channel as their inspiration. The niche that took off? Psychology facts. Yes, these creators were dishing out mind-blowing, psychology-based videos that instantly hooked viewers. It worked like a charm for those who got in early. For them, the results were phenomenal. Their channels grew exponentially, racking up millions of views almost overnight. But what happened next? As more creators began to adopt the same strategy, the market became oversaturated. The competition spiked, and what was once a gold mine of opportunity started to lose its appeal. The niche, though still profitable, started to get a little stale. More and more creators tried to replicate the success, but the magic had faded for the majority. So what's the lesson here? Timing matters, sure, but so does creativity. It's not just about jumping on the latest trend. It's about thinking ahead and innovating. That's where things get exciting. No one thought to pivot or tweak the formula using AI until now. That's where I come in. A while back, I uploaded a video on this very topic. I shared the potential of using AI for automation, and to my surprise, it became my most successful upload to date. The feedback was overwhelming, and I realized there was more to this strategy than I initially thought. So I decided to take that concept further, improve on the formula, and of course, add my own unique twist. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to create your very own faceless YouTube channel that's not only fully monetized, but also completely automated with AI. Imagine creating 3 months worth of shorts in just one sitting. And that's not all. I'll show you how AI can handle your titles, descriptions, and hashtags too. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. I know what you might be thinking right now. Does this actually work? Well, let me assure you, it does. And I have the evidence to back it up. Take a look at a channel that specializes in quiz and riddle videos. The secret behind their success? Simplicity. It's not about complex, over-the-top production. It's about keeping things straightforward yet engaging. These videos are designed to spark curiosity and keep viewers glued to the screen. Each riddle is crafted in a way that makes it irresistible to viewers, leading them to stay engaged long enough to finish the video. This level of engagement does wonders for YouTube's algorithm. Watch time, in particular, is a crucial factor for growth on the platform. The more time people spend watching your content, the higher your videos rank in the algorithm. Watch time isn't just a number on a chart. It's the lifeblood of your channel's growth. The longer viewers stay, the more likely YouTube will push your videos to new audiences. But there's even more to it than just watch time. The interactive nature of these riddles drives massive engagement in the comments. People love showing off their problem-solving skills, and that leads to a flood of comments with guesses, debates, and challenges. This kind of interaction not only keeps the video alive in the algorithm, but also encourages a strong sense of community among your viewers. The higher the engagement, the better your video performs. It's a snowball effect. You get more views, more comments, and ultimately more subscribers. Let's talk about money for a second. Is this channel actually monetized? Here's a simple trick you can use to find out. 1. Right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Source. 2. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F. On Mac, hit Command plus F. 3. Type Monetize into the search bar and hit Enter. If you see the word true, the channel is monetized. If it says false, it's not. Pretty easy, right? According to Social Blade, this channel pulls in an estimated $60,000 per year. And trust me, that number might actually be on the low side. From managing my own channels, I've seen revenue numbers go even higher than that. Still skeptical? Here's another example. A brand new channel using the same strategy is already pulling in thousands of views within its first few weeks. The proof is right in front of you. This method works. So how do we make this work for you? Instead of focusing on long-form videos, we're going to zero in on YouTube Shorts. YouTube is heavily promoting Shorts, and for a good reason. They're extremely popular. People love quick, digestible content, and YouTube loves rewarding creators who capitalize on this trend. It's a win-win. Step 1. Create riddles. First, we need riddles. Luckily, we've got a secret weapon, ChatGPT, and here's a pro tip. Always be polite to AI. You never know when it might gain sentience, right? To get the best riddles, be detailed in your prompt. For example, as a riddle expert, create 5 engaging riddles for an audience to solve. Each should be easy enough to entertain, with 3 options and only 1 correct answer. Please format them in a table. Repeat this process until you have a collection of 300 riddles. Don't stop there. Add variations, extra context, or even fun facts to make them stand out. Store them all in a Google Sheet for easy access and future use. Step 2. Design your videos. Next, head over to Canva. Open the platform and select Create Video. You'll find plenty of background options under the Elements tab. Copy the riddles from your Google Sheet and paste them into the Canva template. Customize the text to fit the aesthetic you want. Adjust the size, font, and style to make everything pop. Add some dynamic animations to keep the content visually engaging. This process may take a little time at first, but it'll get faster as you go. You can even play with color schemes to keep your videos fresh. Step 3, add music. A good video isn't just about visuals, it's about the atmosphere too. Use royalty-free music to avoid copyright issues. The YouTube music library has a ton of options. Choose a track that complements the riddle-solving vibe, something upbeat and engaging. Sync the music with the visuals to add that extra layer of engagement. Bulk creation, here's where the magic happens. If you have a Canva Pro account, use their bulk create feature. Link your Google Sheet to your Canva template. Hit generate. And in just a few clicks, you'll have 30 shorts ready to go. This is a massive time saver. To keep things interesting, vary the visuals, color schemes, and overall designs with each batch of videos. You can even create themes based on holidays or current trends. Final steps. Launch and optimize. Once your content is ready, it's time to create your Faceless YouTube channel and start uploading. Use ChatGPT to generate optimized titles, descriptions, and hashtags. This step is crucial for SEO and ensuring your content gets discovered. With the right optimization, YouTube will begin recommending your shorts to more people. Once everything's uploaded, hit publish and let the algorithm do its work. Don't forget to monitor your analytics regularly. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention. This will give you insights into what's working and what you need to adjust. Consistency is the secret sauce to succeed with this method. Keep uploading regularly, experiment with styles, and refine your process. The more you iterate, the better your results will be. Want to see how this strategy performs after a month of uploading? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when I drop new AI tips and strategies. Thanks for watching. Stay consistent, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.